The government of Ghana has just blocked the US dollar from entering into the country via major remittance services. Ghana has taken this decision by effectively blocking the influx of the US dollar. This move, orchestrated by the Bank of Ghana, underscores the nation's commitment to safeguarding its foreign exchange reserves. The Ghanaian cedi has been one of the best performing currencies in 2025, but recently it has been taking a nosedive, devaluating rapidly, and this is due to a sudden surge in the US dollar coming into the country. The Bank of Ghana, realizing this, has taken this bold decision to block major remittance services from bringing the US dollar into the economy. It's a bold assertion of economic sovereignty in an era where digital remittances are booming. So join us today as we explore the details, implication, and the brilliant strategy behind this action. It is not without its strategic merit. Before we delve deeper into the specifics, kindly hit the like button to support this channel and subscribe to this channel so as to not miss any updates on Ghana's developmental journey. The Ghanaian Central Bank, which is the Bank of Ghana, has taken this decisive step to suspend major remittance services, which has violated its policy, bringing unchecked US dollars into the country and surging the economy. Hence, this block of the US dollar was necessary. As Ghana is one of West Africa's most vibrant economies, it has long navigated the challenges of currency stability and global pressures. The US dollar, a dominant force in international transactions, has often flooded emerging markets through remittances, which are a lifeline for many families. However, being unchecked, the inflows have distorted the local currencies, fueling inflation and undermining the national financial control. Ghana's central bank has been vigilant in this regard, implementing the policies to ensure that every dollar entering into the country does so through transparent regulated pathways. This latest suspension isn't an isolated incident, but part of a calculated strategy to protect the cedi and also promote sustainable growth. By prioritizing compliance, Ghana is positioning itself as a model for other African nations grappling with similar issues. At the heart of this story is the Bank of Ghana's announcement in September 4, 2025, which revealed a one-month suspension of major remittance partnerships for 5 prominent money transfer operators, which is held effectively from September 18, 2025. This isn't just a mere slap on the wrist, as it's a comprehensive measure to halt breaches in foreign exchange transactions. The affected regulators, which are the most prominent in the country and the top performers, are TapTapSend, TopConnect, Remit Choice, SendUp, and AfriX. These entities, known for facilitating quick and convenient transfers from the United States especially, were found to have engaged in activities that bypass the established guidelines. The central bank's insight here is profound. By suspending these partners, Ghana is ensuring that it blocks the US dollar inflows and also the incoming remittances contribute positively to the economy without compromising regulatory integrity. Delving deeper into this, the suspension stems from violations of the updated guidelines for the inward remittance services by payment service providers, which was issued in 2023 and amended through a specific notice in 2025. The core issue revolves around unauthorized remittance activities conducted in collaboration with certain payment service providers, namely Howgate Financial Technologies Limited, Salutant Limited, and Flutterwave Incorporated. These interactions were routed through their settlement bank, the United Bank for Africa Ghana, which have also faced repercussions. The Bank of Ghana's perspective highlights a key principle, which is that any deviation from approved channels not only risk financial instability, but also erase trust in the system, and that has led to the recent cedi depreciation. This enforcement action demonstrates a keen understanding that robust oversight is essential to prevent exploitation and also maintain the health of the forex market. In a parallel move, the Bank of Ghana has suspended the foreign exchange trading license of the UBA Ghana Corporation. This decision ties directly to the breaches involving the aforementioned money operators. UBA, which is a settlement bank, played a pivotal role in these transactions, and the suspension serves as a reminder that even the established institutions must adhere to the rules. The central bank's strategic insight is that holding banks accountable ensures a level playing field and deters future infractions. The Bank of Ghana is quick to have noted the leak, which has led to the recent surge of the US dollar, and by targeting the enablers of these unauthorized flows, Ghana is effectively stemming the tide of unregulated US dollars, which could otherwise underwhelm the local economy and devalue the cedi. Looking ahead, the path to reinstatement for these suspended entities is clear but rigorous. The Bank of Ghana has outlined that the money transfer operators may resume activities only after the suspension period ends and only upon successful reapplication by their partner service providers or banks. This process will be subjected to thorough review by the central bank, emphasizing a commitment to due diligence and ensuring that the surge of the US dollar is totally plugged. The underlying wisdom here is that rehabilitation through compliance fosters long-term partnerships rather than permanent exclusion. It's a forward-thinking approach that balances enforcement with opportunities for correction, ensuring that these major players, which are key in the remittance sector, evolve in alignment with national interest. Extending beyond these specific suspensions, the Bank of Ghana has issued a stern advisory to all participants in the foreign exchange market. The message is unequivocal. Strict adherence to regulations and guidelines is non-negotiable. The insight reflects a deep appreciation for the interconnected nature of global finance, where lapses by a few can jeopardize the entire ecosystem. And by cautioning market players, Ghana is proactively mitigating risks and promoting a culture of accountability. In an age of digital innovation, where fintech solutions promise speed and accessibility, this reminder underscores the importance of integrity over convenience. By clamping down on them, Ghana is channeling these dollars into official systems, which bolsters reserves, stabilizes the cedi, and enhances fiscal revenues. This move could inspire confidence amongst investors, signaling a mature regulatory environment. Moreover, it aligns with the broader African Union initiatives to harmonize financial policies and also reduce dependence on foreign exchange. Ghana blocking the influx of the US dollar could herald a new era for Ghana's financial sector. With the rise of blockchain and money transfer, the need for adaptive regulations is paramount. The Bank of Ghana's actions demonstrates a proactive stance, ready to evolve with technology while defending national interests. We might see an increased collaboration with compliance fintechs, fostering innovation with boundaries. Ultimately, by blocking unauthorized US dollar entries, Ghana is not just protecting its economy, but also empowering the citizens of the country through a more resilient financial system. So, in this case, Ghana's bold step to block the US dollar from entering via unauthorized routes is a testament to strategic economic guardianship. Through the suspension of key mobile transfer operators and the UBS trading license, the Bank of Ghana has illuminated the path towards a more secure and sovereign financial future. This isn't just about blindly blocking the US dollar, it's about an integration on Ghana's terms. If you are in the diaspora or involved in remittances, stay informed and compliant to navigate these challenges smoothly. Share your thoughts on the Ghanaian Central Bank, which is the Bank of Ghana, blocking unauthorized channels for the US dollar, ensuring that it is transparent and helps the country grow. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, hit the like button to support this channel and also inform others on this decision by the Bank of Ghana, and subscribe to this channel to stay updated on all developments and policy decisions taken by Ghana. Thank you, and on to the next video. Be sure to check this next video out.